Good evening, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your weather in 5 days. Weather in five. Um, Today, Sunday, we're going to have some pretty clean and clear, cold skies. Um, this is actually a small little front that's moving through right now, bringing some light cloud cover and some northwesterly, uh, dry wind. So it's very cold out there tonight, and we have this is a current uh, map view of conditions, and we have a front that's well to our north that's coming through. Uh, you know, kind of giving us another shot of cold air coming from the north. We have temperatures pretty much all across the state of Pennsylvania, down through Maryland, down through the Delmarva, and South Jersey. This is all pretty much my coverage area anyway. So in the 20s and 30s. Um, Temperatures tonight, Saturday into Sunday, supposed to kind of hover around between 27 and 28 degrees. When we get up tomorrow, it'll be a nice, cold and crispy 26 degrees, and the dew point way down at 19. So we have very dry air. And then tomorrow, Sunday, it's supposed to, the high should be about 42. And then we kind of go on this little up and down ride the rest of the week into Monday. And then that I guess gets us to Tuesday. So we have a couple of systems kind of passing around. The cold air kind of retreats a little bit and then comes back as we enter the midweek. But then another system coming in from the west. This is almost a carbon copy from the storm this past Thursday and Friday, New Year's Eve, and Christmas. We have another storm cutting through the Great Lakes, creating a very strong vortex, um, leaving kind of like a front behind with warm air over here and colder air over here. Now this time it doesn't look like we're going to get a bulge or ridge of a front that comes and meets the storm sort of halfway like it did, and it was this general area that got walloped with lots of heavy winds. It looks like this time that we might just avoid that because the storm looks like it actually goes further to our north. So, and then we have this Bermuda High, which is sort of circulating, kind of deflecting it in a way out of you know kind of off, knocking it off course a little bit. Um, so let me pass through here. This is this is midnight New Year's Eve, so it's 2021, and we had just have a lot of rain, and this comes through all day January 1st, and then that system sort of rides to our north. The winds are fairly strong behind it, but nothing like the vortex that came through um, this past week. And then we have more cold air that kind of budges through, and really doesn't really leave. There's no precipitation behind, so we don't know what is to come. And then we have some storm possibilities. This very big wave off the southeastern coast has been modeled to basically go out to sea, has been modeled to just kind of stay out stay close enough to the coast, but remain mostly out to sea. And it has had it come up the coast, which would give the East Coast with a very, very significant snowstorm. We shall see, because we have some elements working in our favor. We have a cold blocking high, Greenland. We have cold air kind of coming in. We would, and but we would like this high a little further to our north. But we shall see. It will change many, many times. So enjoy your week. And this is Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.